Law in You, featuring the award-winning attorneys we have on our panel here, Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, welcome.
Listen, this is the best-looking 65-year-old guy you'll ever see.
Happy 65th, Greg.
Today's
Wow.
his 65th birthday.
He looks great for 65.
Honest to God.
Still has a lot of energy.
He does. He could do 50 push-ups right now.
I bet he can. Well, happy birthday, Greg.
I want to thank everybody for all the kind birthday wishes today. Very nice.
All right, we're going to make you work here on your birthday. Cheryl in Pittston says, my uncle was arrested for DUI and his blood alcohol was .09. It's a second offense and there was no accident. What is my uncle looking at?
Probation.
Well, maybe. I mean, it depends. It really depends. I mean, if it's a second offense in a week, then it could be significant. I mean, it could be significant. So we probably need a little bit more information about when in relation to when the first offense was, how bad was the first offense, did he get ARD for the first offense? I mean, it's not just a simple cut and dry answer. I mean, he could potentially be looking at jail. He could be looking at a loss of at a minimum a loss of his license. For a significant period of time, so really need some additional information. The blood alcohol being .09 is relatively close to the it's low. Yeah, I mean it's close to the legal limit, so he may get a break there. But it really depends on what the circumstances of that first offense were, how they're going to look at this second offense.
Yeah, generally with a second offense, you could be looking at jail time. You're going to get a license suspension. Probably not going to get ARD because it's your second one. So, you're going to need a lawyer. You're going to need to walk through the system, and hopefully a judge will be reasonable, give you a fair sentence. But it's a misdemeanor. I guess the maximum could be up to a year, but more likely than not, it'll be a probation type sentence. But lesson learned. Hopefully you'll learn your lesson because you don't want to go to a third offense.
No, definitely
and then
not.
a fourth.
Yeah.
All right, good advice. And I know in these DUI scenarios, you guys refer out. So for people that may need some help and they want to talk to you, how can they reach you?
Yeah, we have a stable guys we work with on these. They do a great job. Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com, and we'll get you to a good DUI lawyer.
Yeah, if you have a question, especially about criminal law, put it on Facebook or Twitter, and we'll do our best to answer it next week on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, have a good night. Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.